Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore two powerful techniques to improve document retrieval in LangChain. That is RRR method, rephrase, retrieve, rank, multi-query retrieval. So we need to install the necessary LangChain packages, and this is the code for uploading the document. So this is the document I'm using, research paper document I'm using. This is our code. So here I'm getting I'm loading the research paper using loader.load, and I'm splitting the text into chunks using recursive character text splitter, and then I'm storing them into the ChromaDB, which is my vector store. So this is the first step. First step, that is rephrase. We take user question, say just methodology, and prompt LLM to rewrite it to something like what research methodology did author use in this paper. So it will rephrase as the simple question. This will improve precision of our retrieval. And in the step 2, we are retrieving the documents based on the question asked. And the third step is the ranking. We are ranking it. So originally we sorted by score in metadata. Here, Chroma doesn't provide sorting of score. It automatically. Instead, we use similarity search with relevant scores, which gives document score pairs. We sort and pick top matches. So then we are combining the top three rank chunks. As you can see here, I'm taking the top three rank chunks into context and asking LLM to answer using only that context and guard it against hallucination by instructing if it's not there, say not found. So let me execute. I've asked a question of only methodology. See, now it will rephrase. You can see here, rephrase query is what specific research methods and procedures were used in this study. So it using that query, it looked at the document and then it retrieved that answer using that question. As I said, it will improve precision of our retrieval. So the next is the multi-query retrieval. So if the paper uses synonyms, like if the document uses synonyms like findings, outcomes, a single query can miss relevant chunks. So we generate multiple phrasings with LLM, retrieve for each and merge and deduplicate the queries. As you can see here, we are asking LLM to generate different phrasing of this question to help retrieve documents. And we ask LLM to provide multiple reformulations, like what findings did author present, what conclusions were drawn in the study, and summarize outcomes reported. So here we are stripping leading bullets on numbers to clean the output. So we are using here strip function, and then we run retrieval for each variant plus original query. Then we deduplicate using source per page or content hash, so we don't repeat the same document chunk multiple times. Yeah, let me run this. And this is the final prompt I have given to LLM. Like if it has to retrieve uh, from the document given, and if the for the question asked by the user, if there is no content or context, then it has to simply say not found in the provided paper context. So the question asked is like, what are the results? Let me execute and see. As you can see, for the query asked, it generated multiple formulations. Like, can you provide me with the results? Could you please share the results with me? I'm looking for the results. Can you help me find them? As I have asked only the top three to generate only three formulations, it has generated only three formulations. And based on these questions asked, it has retrieved the document related to the asked question. So yeah, hope you found this walkthrough helpful. And also, if this video helped you level up your RAG pipeline, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI dev videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.